Are you tired of trying fad diets that just don't work? Stick around because today, we're diving into 6 powerful superfoods that can help you shed those extra pounds naturally. You won't want to miss this. We eat a variety of foods. Some help you increase your weight, making your body look more plump, while others help you reduce your weight, making your body slim and trim. Here are some foods that will help you in reducing your weight. 1. Honey. When we consume honey before bed, the body burns more fat during the early hours of sleep. Honey makes the liver produce more glucose, which keeps the brain sugar level high and forces the release of fat-burning hormones. So, consume a tablespoon of honey before bed. You can mix it with a little milk because milk is also very good to consume before bed. 2. Chia seeds. Next, let's talk about chia seeds. You can take chia seeds in lemon juice right in the morning, which helps in reducing your weight. Take a glass of water, squeeze half a lemon into it, and add a pinch of salt and a big tablespoon of chia seeds. Soak chia seeds in water for half an hour, then add them to the lemon juice and consume it. 1 glass of lemon juice with chia seeds will burn 6 calories of our energy and prevent overeating throughout the day. 3. Cumin. Water cumin seeds are extremely beneficial for weight loss. This drink can significantly increase your metabolism. Cumin water reduces your hunger and increases your fat-burning process. Soak 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink that water. That would be wonderful. 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Add cruciferous vegetables to your daily diet, like cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, etc. These foods are rich in fiber, which can make you feel satiated throughout the day. They are also low in calories and starch. Non-starchy and fiber-rich foods will help you in weight loss, so make sure a bowl of these vegetables goes into your system every day. 5. Apple. An apple a day not only keeps the doctor away, but also keeps the extra weight away. Eat an apple with its skin to get good fiber, keeping you satiated throughout the day. Apple is an excellent food that is low in calories and gives you a feeling of being full. 6. Iron, zinc, and selenium foods. These foods enhance your thyroid activity. Higher thyroid activity leads to higher metabolism, which helps in burning calories. Nuts and seeds are very good sources of iron, zinc, and selenium. So, every morning for breakfast, you must have all these things. Soak almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, and pistachios overnight and consume them in the morning. Incorporate these superfoods into your daily diet to help with your weight loss journey. Remember, food alone won't do the trick. You must take care of yourself by eating 4 times a day, walking twice a day, and practicing regular yoga. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on living a healthy and balanced life.